What's up, and hello to the fine folks at GearWrench Tools. This is Coleman, and this is my entry into the GearWrench Ultimate Garage Giveaway. A little about my story. Recently, I started a YouTube channel focusing on do-it-yourself auto repairs and other projects that I do. I've been fixing all my friends and family's vehicles for years, saving them a ton of money and teaching them along the way. After losing my job back in March due to COVID lockdown, I've been doing that pretty much full time now. Let's check out the garage. Ever since I can remember, I've always been around tools and cars, mainly thanks to my dad. However, he ended up passing away when I was about 11 years old, and I never got the chance to work with him as an adult as I got better, so I keep him around in the garage with me to help out with all my projects. Speaking of projects, let's check out what I'm working on. This is my 2007 Audi A6 Avant. I was able to pick up this car for only $1,200 as it needed some simple repairs. It has been my daily driver for the last 2 years now. However, when doing some maintenance last time, I discovered a large oil leak in each of the cylinders of the spark plug tubes. So now we are replacing the cam girdle seal, timing chain tensioners, and everything else needed to go along with that. Once I'm done with this car here, I'll be moving on to this Audi A4, which I picked up for only $800 because it had a transmission cooling line that was leaking. And lastly, a BMW 325i. We are swapping out the oil filter housing gasket here as it is leaking oil down into the bottom of the engine. So here is my simple tool cart. These are just all tools that I've acquired over the years for working on various jobs. Nothing is really a complete set, and I'm definitely running out of room. How would I pursue performance with GearWrench tools? Well, the first thing I would actually do is I would give away my whole entire tool set. I would have a brand new tool set and I wouldn't need this anymore. After donating my tools, I would then use GearWrench tools on all my projects and in all my videos going forward to help me build my channel. So that wraps it up for the project. Wanted to give a huge shout out to GearWrench for allowing someone a chance to win this amazing GearWrench tool set. So go ahead, don't be shy, you can enter too. Thanks again for watching and good luck to everyone.